Hello everyone, welcome to Explore HOP. So for this example, we're told that in a class of 25 students, a teacher chooses a group of 5 students at random to help her carry boxes containing school supplies. And we're asked to determine the number of possible outcomes in the sample space of this experiment. We can see that since the teacher is picking a group of 5 students to help her, then we can assume that the order of those students is irrelevant. So to find the number of possible outcomes in the sample space, we just need to find the number of possible groups of 5 students that can be chosen from a total of 25 students. This means that we will find the number of possible combinations of 5 students. And we can do this by using this formula, where the number of combinations, written as NCR, which can also be written as N choose R, is equal to n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. And in this case, n is equal to 25. That's because we have a total of 25 students, and r is equal to 5, since we are picking a group of 5 students. And so 25 choose 5 is equal to 25 factorial over 5 factorial times 25 minus 5 factorial, which is equal to 25 factorial over 5 factorial times 25 minus 5 factorial, which is 20 factorial. And this is equal to 53,133. And this therefore gives us the number of outcomes in the sample space, or the number of groups of 5 students that can be chosen from a class of 25 students. So therefore, there are 53,130 possible outcomes in the sample space. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.